Hi guys, let's take a look at the step around. This is an introductory into beginning spins. A step around is also the beginning of learning how to turn the body from moving forward to backwards. We'll use this as a prep for our backwards and reverse spins. Let's get started. Grip the pole with the inside hand and step forward with the inside foot. Keep this foot planted on the floor and begin to turn the body towards the pole. Reach the outside hand across and sweep the outside leg out and around. Squat down and step onto this opposite foot, shifting the weight onto this foot. Push back up to standing and sweep the free leg out and back to standing. Let's go the other way. Inside hand is gripping, step onto the inside foot. Keep the foot in place and turn the body towards the pole, reaching the outside arm across and sweeping the free leg out to the side, then towards the pole. Squat and step onto the foot, transferring the weight off of this foot, push through the floor and come back up to standing. Now let's try it from a walk. Begin walking, and when you're ready, plant the inside foot and turn to face the pole, sweeping the opposite leg around. Begin to squat and then step on to the free leg, just as before. Avoid squatting down so far that you can't control the drop. Don't place the hands too low on the pole. This will not put you in a good position for standing back up. Keep your distance from the pole and keep one hand at shoulder level and the other above the head.